Plasmamembrane. Plasmamembrane, also called the cell membrane, is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. They contain receptors and channels that allow specific molecules such as ions, nutrients, wastes, and metabolic products in and out of the cell. Hence, cell membrane is called selectively permeable membrane. Substances move across the cell membrane through diffusion. Diffusion through permeable membrane moves substances from an area of high concentration to lower concentration gradient. The cellular waste like carbon dioxide has to be excreted out of the cell. The carbon dioxide accumulates in higher concentration inside the cell. The concentration of carbon dioxide is low in the external environment. By diffusion, carbon dioxide moves out of the cell from higher concentration to a lower concentration outside the cell. Similarly, oxygen enters the cell when the concentration of oxygen inside the cell decreases. By this way, diffusion plays an important role in gaseous exchange between cells. The diffusion of water through a semi-permeable membrane according to the concentration gradient of water across the membrane is called osmosis. Hypotonic solution. If the medium surrounding the cell has a higher water concentration than the cell, that is, if the solution is very dilute solution, then the cell will gain water by osmosis. Such dilute solution is called hypotonic solution. Isotonic solution. If the medium surrounding the cell is of exactly the same water concentration as inside the cell, there will be no net movement of water across membrane, resulting in no change in size of cell. Such solution is called isotonic solution. Hypertonic solution. If the medium surrounding the cell has a lower water concentration than inside the cell, that is, if the solution is highly concentrated, then the cell will lose water through osmosis. Such concentrated solution is called hypertonic solution. The plasma membrane is flexible and is made up of organic molecules called lipids and proteins. The flexibility of the cell membrane enables the cell to engulf food and other materials from its external environment. Such process is called endocytosis. For example, amoeba engulfs its food by endocytosis.